Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share layout number 6 for my November 2020 Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. Now I did my kit a little bit differently this time. I pulled the kit together and then I have pulled page kits from the supplies, and I left everything in the package. You guys know I usually take everything out of the package and just work from it, but by pulling everything together for a kit, I'm able to work a little faster through these. So a layout doesn't take me very long to get done. Maybe an hour or less. Sometimes I think closer to 30 minutes. Sometimes it's just the drying time for the wood veneer when I have to use a liquid glue. Anywho, so this layout is going to have 3 photos, and it's just some Thanksgiving food photos. Don't these look so good? Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm ready for Thanksgiving, y'all. I'm hungry. So anyway, let me show you what I have pulled in here. Here's my photo mats. I have 3 4x4 photo mats. I have a cut apart sheet, and I want to try and use some of that. And that is the front portion of the packaging. Or I could use, like if I wanted to use all of that for one go. I pulled the leaf paper. The back side is that dark brown. And then I have another of the green cardstocks for my background piece. I pulled in this traveler's notebook page. I've used this side already on a different page, so I want to use this side. I pulled in some old Cheeky Studio Falling for Autumn ephemera. These Remarks Oak is what it's called. These from Tuesday Morning. They are burgundy color laser cut leaves. I have a flare. Oh, and I'm so proud. My last layout, guys, I used a flare. Ha! I still have a whole handful of flare up at the top that I haven't used yet. I'm going to try and use some of this chipboard here, and I pulled in this. I don't know how much of that I'll get used, but I'm going to try and use something from it. I have some different color brads. These are close to my heart, and you can see there's orange, rust, and red, I think are the ones in there. This is cranberry, sorbet, and tulip. Alright, and then some brown enamel dots. So give me a few minutes. I've still got all of my same supplies. All of my leftovers from previous pages, leftover paper, leftover washi, or all the stickers and embellishments that I've had with each page kit has gone into my stash over on the side. So I have all of that to pull from. But I want to use this stuff first, and then I'll pull from over there. I have my alphabets to make titles if I need to. I have all sorts of enamel dots and stars and sequins and bling, and yeah. So I have tons of stuff to use, plus my bowls of wood veneer and brads up here. So let me see what I can get used from all of this stuff, and we'll go from there. I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, I'm back. I have my layout finished. This is layout number 6 with my November 2020 Counterfeit kit. So, the sketch I used called for 3 small photos across the center here, and I used 3 a little bit larger. These are 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. And if you look closely, they are of Thanksgiving dinner. And so I put comfort food here and then family dinner down here as my title. And you can see I just took some embellishments and layered them up. Used some enamel dots. Used some of those flower bits and pieces. More of the glitter leaves and ephemera bits and pieces. And I even used a little puffy sticker here. But yeah, this is actually the chipboard piece from that chipboard pack that I added in. I just peeled all the chipboard off. Look how thick that is. That is super duper thick. And so I just peeled it off. Yeah, I got what I wanted, the front printed image. This was part of the traveler's notebook paper in that one pack. So I did not use my flare. Yeah, I know. I used, how many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. I used these alphabets, and I had to go onto here for an R because I'm out of R's on this one. I used that one puffy sticker here. I used the word comfort from this pack, as well as these little enamel floral bits and pieces. I used 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. And then these Falling for Autumn ephemera bits, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's actually a flare in here that I had forgotten about. Maybe I'll get that used at some point. These enamel dots, I did use 3 of the large ones, 1 on each cluster. 1, 2, 3. Here is that chipboard pack from Scenic Route, and I used the one here. I cut it down a little bit on either end and then peeled that apart. The pocket page, not pocket page, Traveler's Notebook page. And then of course I have the cut apart that I had pulled to use that I did not use. So this will go back in with the paper, and I'll be able to hopefully get it used up on another layout. Anyway, that's what I have for layout number 6. Stay tuned for the photos. Bye-bye.